We are continuing to meander our way south towards Townsville. Last night at Ingham, which was a great spot by the way, and tonight at Toomulla Park, which is not that far out of Townsville, but it's one of those great little places in the wilderness, in the bush, adjacent to a creek. It's a very small, quiet town, and there's a track down to the beach. So this is a great spot. So let's have a look around. Okay, a bit about the campground. You must book online. There is no charge to stay here. It does get very busy and there are limited numbers, and that is why it is essential to book online before you get here. And there's no phone service here, so do it before you get here, otherwise you may not get in. Just on the edge of the campground there is a walk that runs adjacent to the creek to the ocean, so we're going to check it out.
Right, we've just done our walk from the RV park where we're staying, and we're at the mouth of the creek, and we see in the distance over there what looks like a crocodile trap. Now we know that they're looking at trapping some because there's quite a few of them around and there's a lot of warnings, so that's what I think it is. It looks like it would be big enough and strong enough, so there you go.
Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. So please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, keep on watching because there's lots more good stuff to come.